Wednesday, January the 31st, 2024. Georgia 180, we're turning onto Owl Creek Road. We will be heading back to Georgia 17, headed north and then through Hiawassee, back across 76, and then we don't know where. Just come from Brasstown Bald, and it was closed, or the gates were open and you could walk the trail, but the gift shop and the tram to the top were closed. So now we're just riding mountain back roads, heading to Hiawassee. Looked like this was a pretty zigzaggedy road on Google Maps. So it ought to be a nice little drive. There was a nice hawk. Don't know if y'all could see him, but there's a nice hawk flying through the woods right there. From what I can tell, most of this is national forest. There's still some private property scattered around here, like this here, but there's a lot of national forest. I don't know how you tell what's public and what's private. Hasn't been much traffic today, which is nice. There's always a speed racer coming up the hill fast. Nice little cabin homesteads. I don't know how far it is to Georgia 17. and more houses scattered all across these little mountaintops on the sides of the mountains. Hoot Owl Hollow. There's nobody behind us. Let's go slow and see when this bridge was built. I'm going to say the way this bridge looks, I'm going to say 1955. I think it's going to be sooner than that. I think this is going to be in the 40s. Let's get over here and see what the date stamp is. I was way wrong. 1969. I'm usually a lot closer than that. My guess this is Georgia 17. To the right would take us down through Helen. To the left is going to take us to Hiawassee. Now somewhere up here on the left, and I don't know if I'll recognize it or not, looks like it's right in here, maybe. I did some drone work for a fellow that had 10 acres up on top of one of those mountains. There was no water. He was wanting to sell them. And I did some drone work for him. It could be behind us. And that drone video, I think it's on the website, but I'm not sure of that. I don't know if he ever sold those 2 lots or not. It's 2 5-acre lots. You would have had to have a well, because the water stopped about a mile from his property. I think you turned right there and went across and went up. Or we, coming out of Hiawassee, we would have turned left. Yeah, I think it was right back there, because I remember this mobile home park. It'd be an interesting ride to go up there and see if those 2 lots ever sold, see if anybody ever built anything up there on them. pull over down here and let this car get by. He wants to move down the road faster than we do. And we do not want to hinder his progress. This is the Hiawassee River. We're going to let this next one get by as well. We will start another video when we get to Hiawassee. We're probably going to work our way back across 76 to Blairsville, Blue Ridge, somewhere. Eat a salad bar at the Ingles. And then work our way back down, or either head north, cross over into North Carolina, hit 74, 64, go west over to I-75, and then back down I-75 to our Murchie. We'll see. Be a nice afternoon drive. Of course, coming back down, we'd be in the sun, so we would not be videoing coming back down 75, not likely. Okay, we're going to turn this one off and start another one. We're coming up on 76 in Georgia 2. We're going to turn left and go into Hiawassee. Hour and a half, 2 hours.
Oh.
I'm not sure.
Not 2 minutes.
No. Got to get all the way to Clayton.
Look at all these Dollar General things.
They're everywhere.
I know.
Look how low the lake is.
It's wonderful. What lake is that?
I don't know. Like Hiawassee, I guess. I don't know what it is. Okay, this is Wednesday, the 31st of January, 2024. The lake is down. Not that bad, I don't guess so. But we're coming into Hiawassee. Temperature is probably low 40s. Pretty lake, it's clear. I like Hiawassee. Look at all these buildings up here on the right, the residences. I was thinking last time I was here, this said this is maybe senior living, but I may be completely wrong. No, senior living community. There it is. There you go. All you seniors that like to live up here in Hiawassee, there you go. Now we are between Clayton and Blairsville. Or, well, actually, we're between Clayton and Hiawassee. We're not in Hiawassee yet. Lake sure is clear. Now we must have it divided. On the right it's sort of stained and muddy, but to the left, the actual main part of the lake is clear and nice. And we've just entered Hiawassee city limits. Hiawassee has grown like crazy. It's 1:24. I don't know if I gave y'all the time or not. It's 1:24. Coming right into Hiawassee. 4-story town, some kind of house there. I don't know if that is, I guess those are apartments or townhomes. I don't know what they are. They're residences though, looks like. Well, there's the Ingles right there. They'll have a salad bar. That's a big one. This is River Street. We're going to go straight. We'll turn into the Ingles. Gas is $2.89 here at the Ingles. Don't run into us from behind. We had the blinker on. Slow down. Ingles looks sort of crowded. Let's see. Where do we want to park? I think we'll loop around right here. Okay, let's turn this off. We'll turn it back on when we come out.